Do you want to throw a badass grand opening? If you do, the first thing you need to realize is that your grand opening is not just an event. And it's not just a photo op where you get the big scissors and the fancy ribbon and you cut it and take pictures to throw on social media or whatever. That's not what the grand opening is about. Your grand opening is one of the most powerful marketing opportunities that your company will ever have. It's a day where the world will hand you a spotlight, it will let you tell your story, it will let you get your name out there, and you'll find that there's a lot of people that want to see you succeed and will do a lot of things they wouldn't normally do to help you win. But so many people don't know how to turn a grand opening into a huge economic opportunity, so they end up missing out on a massive economic return. And that's really sad. And I don't want that to happen to you. My team and I have over 10 years executing and hosting badass grand openings. We've had some pretty impressive clients seek us out for our expertise during that time, including Instagram, who hired us to help them launch Instagram TV, which was the precursor to Reels. Through years of trial and error and seeing what works firsthand and what doesn't work, we've been able to create a fail-proof, step-by-step formula to host legendary grand openings. And now we want to give that formula away to you for free so your grand opening can be legendary as well. We're doing this by giving you access to something that we call the Badass Grand Opening Playbook. And all that you have to do to get your hands on that playbook is click on the button and we'll send it right over. Now, this playbook is only for people who are serious about getting amazing results from their grand opening. And I want to give you a sneak peek of some of the things you'll be learning when you get your hands on the Badass Grand Opening Playbook. First, we'll teach you our proven strategy for getting free publicity, and I mean a ton of free publicity from media outlets and influencers and bloggers and even other businesses, so you can make sure that you're attracting the right people and the right type of people to your grand opening. Next, we're going to teach you how to streamline your planning process so you can do things a lot faster with a lot less stress and avoid some of the absolutely catastrophic mistakes that we've seen other companies make while hosting their grand openings. And trust me, you do not want to make these mistakes. Then we're going to teach you how to market your grand opening so people see the benefits of attending and so they actually show up. We'll then teach you how to plan an unforgettable ribbon cutting ceremony that will captivate your attendees and to help you accomplish your grand opening goals. If you're not clear on what your goals of having the grand opening are already, we'll help you set those as well. Trust me, if you're serious about getting amazing results from your grand opening, you're doing yourself a huge disservice by not getting your hands on this playbook. And like I said, it's free. All that you have to do is click the button, tell us where to send it, and we'll send it right over. Remember, you only have one chance to make an incredible first impression. And your grand opening will shape how your business is perceived by your employees, by your customers, and your entire community. So click on the button and let's get planning.